Are you looking to make your home more eco-friendly? Let's explore some sustainable home renovation ideas. You can start by installing energy-efficient windows and doors to reduce heating and cooling costs. Consider using low VOC paint to improve indoor air quality. Upgrading to energy-efficient appliances can also make a big impact on your home's sustainability. Don't forget about adding proper insulation to save energy and reduce waste. Opt for sustainable materials like bamboo flooring or reclaimed wood for a stylish and eco-friendly touch. Solar panels are a great investment to lower your carbon footprint and save on electricity bills. When redesigning your space, focus on natural light and ventilation to enhance comfort and reduce energy usage. Composting kitchen waste is a simple way to reduce landfill waste and create nutrient-rich soil. Installing a rainwater harvesting system can help you reduce water consumption and save money on your water bill. Consider adding a green roof to improve insulation, reduce stormwater runoff, and support local wildlife. Remember to recycle old materials and donate items that are still in good condition to reduce waste. Upgrading to a smart thermostat can help you optimize your home's energy usage and save money in the long run. Implementing a grey water system can help you reuse water from sinks and showers for irrigation. Don't forget to look for eco-friendly certifications when choosing products for your renovation project. Incorporating passive solar design principles can help you harness the sun's energy for heating and lighting your home. Planting native plants in your yard can create a sustainable landscape that requires less water and maintenance. Consider incorporating a small vegetable garden or herb garden to promote sustainable living and reduce food waste. An eco-friendly home renovation not only benefits the environment but can also increase the value of your property. So why wait? Start transforming your home into a sustainable sanctuary today. Like, share and subscribe our channel for more discussions on energy-efficient buildings.